Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Are you two?
Are you three?
Are you two or three?
Are you five?
All right, make a wish. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yay! Happy birthday. All right.
Wow, cake.
Wow, that looks good. Looks nice.
What? Give me the little one.
Salamat sa my birthday.
Salamat sa sponsor. Oh, thank you. Wait, how'd you know?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a box. Boxes are always a good sign. Wait. Thank you.
What is it? You said it's a good sign.
Push bread. Chocolate. That's what's it.
That's a piece of
Oh, thank you for mommy. Wait.
It's a for decoration.
I like the pink color. Compare ko dun sa purple.
Oh,
This
not the
then
good part
this
is
one?
the chocolates there.
It's just purple. Is it chocolate?
She said read what's on the thing.
No, she said read the one at the front, and then afterwards I flip it. Meh.
What happened? It's from all of us.
No, but this is expensive. Whoa.
What? It's broken?
No.
Let me see. Oh. Oh, okay.
10 years.
No.
I know. Oh, you just want the bracelet?
And then you play with it. You have to sing this song to the phone. What?
Is it the gold one though? Yeah, and then you put it on.
Minus. Oh, wow.
So you have to be careful. Make sure you're holding on to the right side so it won't fall.
That's how it is. Yeah. That's it.
Oh.
And when you unstrap it, then
So that's the Cirrus 10, right?
Bring iPhone in your watch. Oh.
you have to do the. You have to read.
Oh, that's a barcode.